Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Meaningful Beauty. Now, if you're not familiar, this is the products that Cindy Crawford and Dr. Jean-Luc Savard created for us, and those products are available for us to purchase now. Now, I did get a starter kit, and every other month, so every 2 months they send you another shipment. Usually it runs $59.95, but I looked on the website today and it's only $49.95. So that's a $10 savings for this. So let me show you what is inside. Now the box does come inside another box. And when you open it, it's going to look like this. This is a message from Cindy Crawford. When you look and feel your best, you radiate confidence. That's what Meaningful Beauty is all about. So I have this really cute little bag, and it just pulls open, and inside are 5 items. So I'm going to pull these out. So the first thing is the Skin Softening Cleanser. It's a thin consistency and it is white. It does not have a fragrance and it doesn't foam up. It stays like a cream and you wash your face with it. So it doesn't foam up, but that doesn't matter. As long as it's cleaning my face, I am happy. And I haven't broke out from it either, so that's also a plus. Now, when you're finished with your face, then when you're finished washing your face, you put on this Youth Activating Melon Serum. Here's that. It starts here. It's this orange stuff. Now, this doesn't have fragrance either. So I really appreciate that. Now, you only need 1 pump for your face and your throat, but if I do my chest, then I will go ahead and use 2 pumps, and I really like it. Then if it's in the morning that you're washing your face, then you put on this anti-aging day cream. Now, this also has an SPF 30 sunscreen. This is a medium consistency. All you need is 1 pump for your face, and you are protected. And then this is the Lifting Eye Cream. You can put this on morning and night. It feels very cool going on. I also put it on my eyelids, and if I have extra on my fingers, I put it on my lip. Now at night, after you've cleansed your face and put the melon serum on, then they have this wonderful night cream. It's nice and thick. I have to admit, sometimes I get it on my lips and I don't like the flavor of it, but it doesn't have a heavy scent or anything. It's a nice cream. And so far, I'm on my 3rd month. And it usually takes about 3 months to work. And I have noticed a difference. I've noticed that my skin is more even in tone. And it seems to be, you can see that I have the lines on my lips, and it has plumped up my lip and make those lines look a little bit smaller. So we have noticed a difference in my face. So that is what you get in the 5-piece Cindy Crawford every 2-month subscription. And I am so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.